learn about the basics of fractions. You remember this from division. So this is where fractions come in. You remember 63? Rob has 63 balloons in a box. He wants to sort them by color. How many balloons into 9 groups each? How many balloons will be in 7 groups? So what if we were to change this 3 into a 4? So I have to erase. So I have to turn these. So this will be a 4. And this will be 3 still. And 64 minus 63 equals 1. And I know you might be wondering, hey, the remainder is not 0, but that's okay. At the end of a division question, what you're dividing it by and your remainder has to be smaller. So yes, that's the remainder. So I'll have to erase this 3 and then turn it into a 4. This 3 can stay, but the 0, it has to turn into a 1. And you might remember this multiplication that we talked about in division. Remember? So we have to, if we were to put 64 on here, then we would have to make an extra row. Made an extra box right here so I can fit the remainder. So the remainder is 1, so I write a 1 in the box. So I'm going to show you what a fraction is. So first I'm going to write 64 divided by 7. So if I were going to write that, I'm going to write 64 on the top, 7 on the bottom, and then I draw a line between it. But we can make it into another kind of fraction, which is called a mixed number. So mixed number, so we have to write a 9 here, a 1 here, a 1 on top, and a 7 on the bottom, which is 9 and 1/7. That's a mixed number. A whole number mixed with a fraction. That's why it's called a mixed number. Now I'm going to show 64 9. So I'm going to show and turn it into the mixed number 7 1 9. That's the mixed number for 64 over 9. So if we were to keep the 63, 63 minus 7, 56. 56 minus 7 equals 49. 63, 49 minus 7 equals 42. 42 minus 7 equals 35. 35 minus 7 equals 28. 28 minus 7 equals 21. 21 minus 7 equals 14. 14 minus 7 equals 7. But if we were to minus 1 more 7, then that would be 0. But remember, 1 is the remainder. So instead, we would put then that would equal 1. But remember, division is multiple's opposite. Multiple is add. And division is minus. So if we were to do this with the remainder, then it would be 7 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, but with the remainder, 64. But if we were to do division, we would do 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7, minus another 7, but 1 is still the remainder, so it's 1. To show from up to down. Now, I'm going to divide and multiple 9. So, 1 9, 2 9, 3 9, 4 9, 5 9, 6 9, 7 9. Or we could do 63, 54, 45, 36, 27, 28, 9. But since there's a remainder, minus another 9, there's going to be a 1. Multiple, it's going to be 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. The remainder, add 1, 64.